Users suddenly could not access the checkout service over HTTPS. The browser warning made it look serious. The connection was not trusted, and from the user's perspective, checkout was down. At first, this can easily look like an application problem. Maybe the deployment failed, maybe the container crashed, maybe checkout API stopped responding. But instead of guessing, I let my AI SRE investigate the evidence. The first signal was the public HTTPS endpoint. That check failed because certificate validation failed. But the second signal changed the investigation. The direct application health check returned HTTP 200. That means the checkout application itself was alive. The container was healthy. The backend route was configured, and NGINX was running. So the AI did not stop at the symptom. It moved through the investigation one layer at a time. Runtime checked, application health checked, NGINX checked, TLS certificate checked. This is where the confidence started to build. The AI wasn't guessing. Each new piece of evidence either confirmed or eliminated a possible cause. The HTTPS probe showed a secure connection could not be established. The application health check proved the service itself was responding normally. NGINX was running without runtime failures. Each of those signals narrowed the investigation until only one explanation remained. The HTTPS probe failed, so confidence moved to 35%. The app health returned HTTP 200, so confidence increased to 55%. NGINX was running, and the backend route was configured, so confidence increased again. Then the certificate metadata confirmed the real issue. The certificate for checkout.local had expired. The not after date was January 1st, 2025. That is the critical evidence. The application was healthy, but clients could not establish a trusted HTTPS connection. The request was failing before it ever became an application problem. An expired certificate doesn't mean the application stops running. It means clients refuse to trust the secure connection. That's an important distinction. The service is healthy, but users still experience an outage. This is why the AI ruled out the deployment. It ruled out container health. It ruled out backend routing. And it identified the TLS certificate as the root cause. The recommended fix is not to restart the application. It is to renew the certificate, validate the NGINX configuration, reload the proxy after human approval, and verify the HTTPS endpoint. Notice what the AI did not recommend. It never suggested restarting the application. It never suggested rolling back the deployment. Instead, it followed the evidence, identified the actual root cause, and recommended the correct remediation. The final verdict is simple. The checkout application was healthy. TLS was expired. Customer HTTPS traffic failed. The application was not broken. The certificate was expired. AI investigates. Humans decide.